Okay, so I got the oil galley plugs in. 3, got the Preston ones, threaded them. 3. So here was I was talking about the problem issue with this crankshaft was the crankshaft keyway got wallered out. See how so the keyway got wallered out. So I made a jig and pinned it, but like I said, I have a new crankshaft. That's what I'll be using. This one is no longer going to be in use. Actually, maybe make some yard art with it or something. Not sure, but she's had an oiling issue. The journals. Oh, where's the bearings at? So these are brand new bearings. There's the main bearings. So the oiling issue should be resolved. There's another main bearing. Yeah, so the problem with what this block was, it was the oil was bleeding past the plugs in the passageway because I made a video on that a while back because the fucking plugs that comes in the freeze plug kit, the little oil galley plugs were too small. They're like 70,000. I made a video about it, so I'm not going to go over that. Yep, oil galley plugs are too small. And so the oil was blowing by them. Now you got the pulled out plug. Where? Oh yeah, here it is. Yeah. Oil galley plugs were too small, so they're gone. I got threaded fucking plugs in there now, brass ones. And step by step, that's what's going on. Okay, next step on the way.